What is Z Prime Plus? BISCO's Z Prime Plus is a single-component primer used to enhance adhesion between indirect restorative materials and composite resin cements. Z Prime Plus significantly enhances bond strengths to zirconia, alumina, and metal substrates due to its unique combination of two active monomers, MDP, a phosphate monomer, and BPDM, a carboxylate monomer. This combination of primers gives Z Prime Plus a synergistic effect, resulting in its high bond strengths. Z Prime Plus was the first ever dedicated zirconia primer. Bond strength is enhanced to zirconia, alumina, and metal substrates better than other primers on the market and can provide confidence in indirect adhesion that is chemically proven. Better together, ZirClean and Z Prime Plus. An important aspect of zirconia bonding, which usually occurs during try-in, is that saliva interacts with zirconia. Saliva phosphates and zirconia form ionic bonds, depleting the number of available bonding sites on the zirconia surface. Simply rinsing the zirconia restoration with water or acetone will not work. In order to neutralize the phosphate contamination, the zirconia surface must be cleaned with an alkaline solution, such as ZirClean. ZirClean features and benefits: removes contaminants. Contaminants such as saliva can be removed to help achieve better bond strength after try-in. Strong bond to zirconia helps achieve reliable adhesive cementation results. Syringe delivery. Syringe delivery system offers improved ease of use and precise placement of the material. Washes off easily, material easy to clean up. Step 1. Prepared multiple unit bridge. Step 2. After cleaning internal surface with ZirClean, apply a thin layer of Z Prime Plus to the zirconia bridge. Air dry for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 3. Apply 2 separate coats of All Bond Universal, scrubbing the preparation with a microbrush for 10 to 15 seconds per coat. Do not light cure between coats. Step 4. Air dry to remove solvent and light cure for 10 seconds. Step 5. Fill internal surface of the restoration with dual-link universal resin cement and immediately seat restoration. Step 1. Try in the zirconia restoration. Step 2. Decontaminate the internal surface of zirconia restoration with ZirClean and rinse. Step 3. Prime the internal surface of zirconia restoration with Z Prime Plus. Step 4. Cement the zirconia restoration using dual-link universal. To learn more, please visit www.bisco.com or contact a sales rep at 1-800-247-3368.